Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting any SIM or SD card so nothing shorts. Next, remove the case and wipe the area to remove dust. This prevents debris under new glass. Use the suction and plastic picks to lift the cracked glass slowly. Why? Controlled pressure avoids damaging the display underneath. Once you see a small gap, insert the thin pry tool about 1/4 inch and expand the opening carefully, keeping parts organized for reassembly. You now remove the remaining glass and separate it from the digitizer. Do this slowly to avoid ripping flex cables. Apply heat to the edges to soften adhesive. 60 to 70 degrees for about 30 to 60 seconds makes peeling safer. Once loose, lift glass evenly and cut any adhesive strands. This prevents warping. Clean the frame and sensor areas with 90% isopropyl so the new adhesive bonds properly. Make sure connectors are visible and undamaged before proceeding to fit the new piece. You place thin adhesive around the frame, avoiding excess that could seep into ports. Precision ensures waterproofing and alignment. Then align the replacement glass to the front cameras and ports, lowering it slowly so the adhesive seats evenly. Why? Misalignment causes touch ghosting or sensor errors. Press the perimeter uniformly and use a clamp or 1/2 lb weight for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a full bond. If touch fails, make sure to reconnect the flex cable and receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.